PM Modi will be in Assam today as part of a two-day tour. Remember that the visit is a part of PM's Northeast tour, where he is visiting various states in the region. Important to understand that yesterday PM Modi celebrated the 100th anniversary of Bharat Ratna Bhupen Hazarika in Assam. Today on the 14th of September, PM Modi will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of major infrastructure as well as industrial development projects worth Rs 18,000 crores in Assam. He will also lay the foundation stone of various projects at Tarang and the foundation stone, of course, at a plant in Golaghat. After concluding his visit in Assam, he will go to West Bengal next, post which he will be in Bihar. Well, on this, we have my colleague Ratnadeep joining us on the telecast. Now, Ratnadeep, help us understand. Of course, PM is on a two-day tour to Assam. How does his second day, which is today, how does his schedule look like in the state?
That's right. This is a two-day visit and today is the day 2. In fact, we are reporting from Mangalday district in Assam, from Mangalday. Here you can see behind me, this is the entrance of the venue where the Prime Minister is going to lay the foundation stone of the Darang Medical College along with the nursing and J&M school. Also lay the foundation stone of another very important bridge on the river Brahmaputra linking Kurua to the district here, and then he would also lay the foundation stone for a very important 7,000 crores Guwahati Ring Road project. That is a very important project as far as connectivity is concerned. Also, after wrapping up from here, he would fly to Numaligarh, where he is going to dedicate to the nation country's first bioethanol plant and also inaugurate an important petrochemical industry there. So therefore, the total investment of 19,000 crores in Assam, Prime Minister's priority in terms of industrialization and infrastructure growth in Assam would be the key focus of the day 2 before he wraps up his tour.